Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can log in or sign in your Canva account. First of all, open your internet browser or Google Chrome. From here, go to search box and type Canva. And basically, you will find the first link. And once you click on this one, you'll find here on the homepage. Now, here on the homepage, you'll find two buttons at the top right, basically login and sign up. So if you have already an account, just need to click on this login button. But if you want to create an account, just click on this sign up button here. So we're gonna click on sign up. And then you will find here the next page, login or sign up in seconds. So basically you can continue with Google, Facebook, or continue with email, or you can basically click on sign up with your work email right here at the bottom. So if you are going to click on this sign up with your work email, you'll find the next option here, continue with only email or continue another way. Now, once you've done signing up, just need to sign in by clicking the login button. And here you have continue with email or continue another way. So if I click on this continue another way, you'll find here another option. Basically, you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, or your work email, or you can actually log in with mobile if you have Canva app on your mobile device. Now in this sample, just want to click on continue with email, and here just need to enter my email. So I will write down here my email address, and then once done, just click on continue button. Now here you have an option, basically enter your password, but if you forget your password, what you're going to do is click on login with the code instead. Once you click on this one, well, Canva will send you a code on your email. So you just need to copy the code, go back here and paste the code here, and you will automatically log in your Canva account. So that's it. That's how you basically log in or sign in your Canva account. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.